Isola Salina, or Didime, which in Greek means twins, because when the Greeks arrived in these parts, in the distance the island of Salina seemed to them two islands. The two inactive volcanoes that characterize the island are actually united by a piece of land. This is the beautiful nature reserve of the Irminio River, western Sicily, an ideal place to take a bath and enjoy the Mediterranean nature. And here is the Cathedral of Noto, UNESCO Heritage City for the Barocchi. The spectacular Sicilian Barocchi certainly exalts itself in the city of Eastern Sicily. We remember that the Barocchi of Eastern Sicily was born as a reconstruction following the catastrophic earthquake of 1693. In spite of the evidence, the Sicilians built sumptuous buildings, almost as if they wanted to challenge nature. And in Eastern Sicily, the Barocchi, unique in the world, stands out for an excessive elaboration of volumes and forms. This is a splendid place, a Citrezza in the province of Catania. There are these huge stacks in the sea, and a view of Mount Etna in the distance among the most beautiful. And then there are restaurants on the waterfront that prepare excellent risotto with fish and clam pasta. And all Sicilian magic. We are at the Oratorio dei Bianchi in Palermo. This is the Bab el Fotik wooden door dating back to the Arab period, through which in 1071 the Norman Roberto il Guiscardo made his entrance during the capture of Palermo. To celebrate the reconquest of the city, the Grand Count Ruggero had the door preserved, renaming it the Porta della Vittoria, having a representation of the Madonna della Vittoria painted on it. It is located in the splendid museum among the wonderful stuccos of Giacomo Serpotta. And here is the Roman aqueduct of Termini Imerese, dating back to the 2nd century AD. It represents the largest Roman architecture of its kind in Sicily. Between alternating events, the aqueduct remained in use until 1860. It began its journey from the nearby San Calogero mountain and stretched for about 8 kilometers between canyons and valleys until it reached the inhabited center of the very important Roman city.